Hold the special button to inflate your air sacs. Sure thing. Bye. I haven't done an intro in a while. I should probably explain what's going on. How much time do I have? A good amount. Hello, everybody. It's me, Opsiian. I've been gone for a few weeks now, and surely you must be asking, where did she go? What were they doing this whole time? Well, the only real answer is that I was on vacation in the Appalachians, and I returned safely. Nothing changed. Nothing about me is different either. But I'm back, and I'm ready to continue my normal scheduled programs. I didn't eat, did I? Nope. Oh, I can't throw thing. I can't throw thing. Well, we're off to a good start, I guess. So I can't use spears and I have saint food. Understood. Cool. Ah, you can see my spine tubes. Yeah, Sky Islands is way creepier with the fucking Max Payne music. I might turn off the Max Payne music. Oh, ooh, that was close. Actually, I take it back. It's quite fitting for Sky Islands, now that I think about it. You know, I could be saying this is balloon so many times right now. I feel like I was just here. We're looking for this place called the Lost Grotto. For what little I know about it, I know that it is a very fucking small region, so we're probably gonna be in there for like 2 minutes and then I'll be done. Well, I mean, I am American, so... Bro, hurry up. That guy takes a whole release date to suffocate. We're just gonna check all the places that one would not normally go to in farm arrays. So, like the wormgrass area. Never mind, we're not gonna check the wormgrass area. Oh, this is new. This is definitely it. Yippee! Yay. It's very turquoise. I definitely stand out now. Sort of me, I never let you see. I keep it caged cause I can't control it. I feel a rage and I just can't hold it. Oh, Lost Grotto. Yeah, good luck, man. I don't see a foreseeable way of that ending well for you. Eel Lizard! Hi! Hi, Eel Lizard. The camera's a little bit off-center here. Ooh, string lights! They got string lights! It's just like my room, except mine's red. Very City of Tears-esque. Ooh. Lost in the grotto. Is this for me? Thank you, sea. Ow. That is a hole that leads nowhere. And I'm getting fucking stun-locked by a mollusk. You know what? Let's go to Far Shore. I haven't been to Far Shore in a good while. I think Far Shore would be a good place to show off the Aeronaut. Well, like I said, that was a good 2 minutes.
One day later.
For real wet? V2. Woohoo, Far Shore! Yippee! I too go. One day I will figure out how to hurt people. With the balloons this time. I will always remember this place fondly, because it was one of the first region mods that I ever actually got to do when my computer didn't explode and die. Oh yeah, happy Pride Month, by the way. I probably should have said something at the beginning of the video, but I completely forgot. attack. Ugh, I forgot about the Sportilla. I don't know, but I forgot about it. Can it walk on water? Is it Jesus? Happy Pride Month, Jesus. I love balloon gaming. I don't want to talk about it. I need to play Majora's Mask. For everything that I've been told about Majora, everything I know about Majora's Mask, I've been told that it's a very me-coded game. Hey again. Those guys are docile. Last I checked. Which is fine by me. They can be whatever they want to be. That's what Pride Month is about. I identify as a threat to the state, but you can be whatever you want. Conduction work in progress V1. What happens if I drop the grenade in the lava? I'm probably wasting this, but like... Oh, exactly the reaction I was hoping to receive. He's also stuck in the wall. That's a benefit for me. Big win for the Opsiian gang. Oh. Oh, I don't have it. Oh. That's why it wasn't showing up in the warp menu. Okay, well, hang on. Mossy something, right? What's it called again? Mossy Rifts? Is that it? I don't think that's it. Fuck, what's it called? Fuck, Moss Fields. There it is. That's what it is. There we go. Subscribe. I really don't like the new layout for the Rainworld Workshop. I don't like it at all. I just think it's stupid. What? They made a sequel? Much better. Ah. Transcend Spear. Look at that. Ain't it pretty beautiful? Moss Fields, ain't it great? Yeah, I don't understand how the balloon is supposed to hurt. Pocky says that all the abilities are complete, so whatever it is that I'm doing wrong, it's my fault, and I have no idea what it is. Motherfucking jumper! Oh, such a good song. I'm not crazy. I've hurt people with balloons before. It's the only place that I can really think of us to go to now is the giant devious. Is the giant pole. You could go there now. I don't really feel like making a completely separate video on it and just completely repeating the joke of the other video that I made and therefore losing the charm of what made the last video so good, so I think I'm just gonna input it in this one instead. Well, better take the emergency exit. Will you guys come to my birthday party? I need balloons. Oh, here it is. I can't believe they made a sequel. I hope nothing bad happens. Will you guys come to my birthday party? I'm not doing that again. Utterly devious spire. Yes. Where does this lead anyway? I don't know. Presumably it leads up to 5 pebbles, because we're directly underneath him right now. Partially underneath him. Yeah, this isn't nearly as creepy as the tunnel. Can I grab my own balloons? I cannot. I can in fact not grab my own balloons. Everyone wants to be able to grab their own balloons. There's a lot of things I could be doing right now. This is really the best way that I could figure out how to end this off. Is by climbing this giant fucking tower. Oh, whoa. Is this a shelter? Is this a shelter over here? No. I don't like the nothingness beneath me. It makes me very nervous. Is this 5 pebbles? Yeah, that's 5 pebbles. I will save, though. I will gladly save over here. There's still more to see up here, supposedly. Oh, there it is. Oh my god. I can only imagine how much my hands hurt right now. I am very high up here. This looks like Metropolis now. Oh, cute! Little little baby trains. Wow. This is where they're raised. I'm assuming this is Metropolis. I can't think of any other area that would be up this far. Yeah, this is Metropolis. I recognize it now. I don't want to go there, actually. Ugh. I just wanted to see what this was. Why did it take me to hell? Oh. Of course, the balloons don't really do much in anti-gravity. Who's surprised? I'm assuming this is like an IMV thing. I don't plan on playing IMV ever on the channel, so I guess we're doing it like this. Did I find God? Did I finally find him? Is that why Jesus Portilla Christ appeared to me a few minutes ago? Is it all just prophecy? Is that why man invented the balloon? Oh, it's purple. Oh wow, am I suffocating? I'm suffocating. I found the highest point. I literally went to space. Well, this is what happens when you let go of your balloons. Goodbye.